Hey Hornets, welcome back to the second of two special preview episodes of KBTV. I'm Alice.
And I'm Naomi.
What are you wearing, Naomi?
I thought we were dressing up in summer clothes.
No, that was last week.
Oops, my bad.
Well, to refresh your memory, last week we shared some of the news segments from when KBTV's staff members went on location at the Gloria Shields Media Workshop in Dallas.
Today we'll look at 3 additional segments created by returning KBTV staff members.
These segments showcase the workshop and its high levels of journalism training.
All this coming up next on KBTV.
More than 20 years, the Gloria Shields Media Workshop has trained student journalists to produce award-winning media.
More than 20 Keeling students from Yearbook and KBTV attended the 3-day workshop in the summer to build their skills and learn from some of the best journalism instructors in the country.
Putting a workshop together like that takes a lot of effort. Reporters Alex Edwards and AJ Wolf tell us more.
While many kids are lounging in the comforts of their home, about 800 students from all around the country get together at the Marriott Hotel in Dallas to further their journalism skills. With the quickly increasing number of attendees, the hotel is certainly bustling.
And so much traffic throughout the lobby, and then by the elevators, people are waiting like 5 or more minutes just to get in there.
To many, journalism is an important way to tell stories that you may not hear otherwise.
I do a lot of feature stories, so it gives me a chance to find all these people who people don't know about, or they just walk by in the hallway. I have a chance to let people understand who they are, just the incredible stories that they have.
It is important that citizens always try and find the truth and hold people accountable for their actions. These play a big role in journalism and are taught in the Gloria Shields workshop.
Teaching students the fundamentals of journalism, how to conduct themselves, to really search for the truth and to present that truth to their audience is something that will help to preserve our democracy.
This year, Gloria Shields has had the highest amount of attendees yet. The best people in every field have spent a large amount of time learning and would take any opportunity to learn from the best. And it seems like more and more students are starting to understand that. With Adrian Wolf, this has been Alex Edwards reporting at the Gloria Shields workshop.
More than just classes and training, the summer camp wasn't all work.
In between sessions, students enjoyed pool time, ping pong, some great meals, and even a live auction.
And though the focus of the conference was on work and learning new skills, there was still plenty of time to play.
Students new to the workshop were unfamiliar with the drill.
Let's follow reporters Adrian, Isaac, and Yale as they let us know about the workshop's first-time attendees.
Gloria Shields provides an experience for students and teachers, and they both have their own stories to tell. The students coming to Gloria Shields for the first time have a fresh mindset to be filled.
I came here knowing that I didn't know all there is to know, and I've been excited to learn everything that has been taught to me and going over a refresher of some things like I thought I knew.
New students may feel like veterans of Gloria Shields by the second day of camp. The people who call themselves veterans have been attending the workshop for much longer, however.
I really like the workshop because they bring in some of the best staff from all over high school publications, and so it's a really talented group of people.
New and old students alike maintain a great relationship with the instructors, which Gloria Shields wouldn't have been possible without.
I attended the workshop from '05 through '08 as a student, and I feel like I've been here every year to help since 2009.
Students and instructors alike learned helpful skills at Gloria Shields that they would never be able to learn anywhere else. For Adrian and Yale, this is Isaac Guzman reporting at Gloria Shields Workshop.
Probably one of the more intimidating aspects of the workshop is that the Gloria Shields is a high school journalism workshop.
The 21 students from Keeling were the students out of more than 500 who attended the 3-day workshop from middle school.
But that didn't stop them.
Stop us.
That's right, Alice. That didn't stop us from producing quality work and making ourselves known.
Even though this year's convention was the largest in history, reporters Josie Ostranik and Jojo Barnard tell us more about the workshop.
There is no place around like the Gloria Shields Media Workshop. It is inspiring so many young people to explore the world of journalism.
This is my first year at Gloria Shields. I've never done anything like this, so it's like my first experience. Something new, something I want to try, and I've seen that's like many different fields that you can do stuff in, and I might want to pursue it as a career later on.
Many students' passion for telling the world their stories has grown immensely over the years.
I like journalism because it's a really great way to spread somebody's message. Like how we learned in the theme class, it's gives voice to the voiceless, and I really want to help people. And I feel like that's just kind of a way you can help people. You can share their story in the media.
It's not just students who have such a love for this topic. Many teachers have enjoyed journalism from as early as their childhood.
I am only a second-year advisor, but I came here as a student. My advisor brought me to Gloria Shields, and that's where I learned design foundations and that I loved designing. I think one of the biggest reasons I like teaching is that it's an opportunity to provide a space for kids to experiment and fail, experiment and succeed.
Gloria Shields has touched many young lives and will continue to do so for many years to come. This has been Jojo Barnard reporting for Gloria Shields Media Workshop.
With 21 students working in 4 different content tracks alongside high school students from all over the country, Keeling Yearbook and KBTV walked away with a wealth of knowledge.
From tips and tricks for a better broadcast
to plan a theme for the 2020 yearbook.
Students not only learned and grew, they stood out, with all 15 members of KBTV's Advanced Broadcast Program earning Hardest Working Staff Award.
So even though it was a little intimidating at first, Keeling showed up and showed off.
And now we're more than ready than ever to bring you an amazing new season of segments and new stories starting next week.
We look forward to seeing you back here, Hornets. We'll return Tuesday with the first episode of KBTV.
Keeling's #1 source for news and information.